Welcome students. Let's continue chapter 9, that is budgeting. Today I'll be discussing the various classifications of budget. So let's begin. See the diagram, a circle divided into 4. First is classification according to time. Second is functional classification. Then classification according to flexibility, and the last is rolling budget. Budget classified according to time are of 3 types: long range budget, short range budget, and current budget. Long range budget covers periods extending beyond 1 year. Factors to be considered are market trends, economic factors, growth of population, consumption pattern, industrial production, national income, government economic and industrial policy. Standard short range budget, it covers periods of 3, 6 or 12 months depending upon the nature of business. Factors to be considered are period should be long enough to complete production of various products. For a seasonal business, it should cover at least one entire seasonal cycle, should allow financing of production as well as in advance of actual needs, should coincide with the financial accounting period to facilitate comparison and interpretation of actual results. Current budget. Very short-term budgets are known as current budgets, covering a period of 1 month or so, and prepared considering current condition or prevailing circumstances. Next slide is rolling budget, also known as progressive budget. There will always be a budget for a year in advance. New budget prepared at the end of each month, quarter for a full year ahead. Figures for the month or quarter which has rolled down are dropped, and the figures for the next month or quarter are added. According to flexibility, budgets are classified into 2. First is fixed budget and the second is flexible budget. Fixed budget, designed to remain unchanged irrespective of the level of activity actually attained, based on a single level of activity, and cannot be used for the purpose of cost control since actual output is often significantly different from the budgeted output. Since units are overlooked, a cost-to-cost comparison without considering the units may give misleading results. So fixed budget, they do not change time to time. Move on to flexible budgets. As the name itself suggests, it changes over a period of time, prepared for a range more than one level of activity. Set of alternative budgets to different expected level of activity, provides a reliable basis for comparisons as it is automatically geared to change in the production activity, facilitates development of departmental expense budgets, provide expense goal for managers of responsibility centers. So please read till wherever I have discussed today. Hope to see you in the next class. Have a nice day ahead. Thank you.